Picture this. You're deep in JavaScript mode, jamming to lo-fi, feeling creative, and you go, what if I could name my variables with emojis? And boom, JavaScript throws a syntax error in your face. But when you do this, it actually works. Wait, what? Why can you use emojis here but not there? Let's break it down. What is Unicode and why is it important? Unicode is a big rulebook that tells computers how to understand letters, emojis, and symbols. So we can all talk, text, and code with the same language, no matter where we are. Before Unicode, computers in different countries didn't always understand each other. So Unicode said, let's give every character its own number. For example, capital A is number 65 and a turtle emoji is number 128034. Now every computer knows what you mean when you type a dog emoji, namaste in Hindi, or hello in Chinese. Unicode is super organized. It puts each character into different categories so that computers know what each thing is and how to use it. Now back to the difference. The difference lies in what JavaScript is doing behind the scenes and how Unicode and ECMAScript specs rules alive. JavaScript automatically treats as string literals. In JavaScript, object keys can be strings or symbols, and strings can contain any UTF-8 characters, including emojis. No Unicode category restriction are applied here, it's just a string. That's why object keys are so chill. They don't care what's inside as long as it's a string. But variables? Not so fast. Identifiers, also known as variable names, are a different beast. Variable names in JavaScript must follow identifier start rules from the ECMAScript spec. Unicode has categorized almost every character you can imagine of. There are 30 categories in total, and out of which allowed ones are letters LU, uppercase letters LL, lowercase letters LO, LM, LT, and NL, which are other letter-wise stuff. But emojis like snake emoji or turtle emoji, they are not in the club. Unicode calls them so. They are purely symbols and they are not associated with any letters. Imagine you are outside the identifier club. ECMAScript is the bouncer. Snake and turtle emojis walks up and they say they are symbols and let them in. Bouncer will say access denied because club doesn't accept symbols. And when the letter capital A and dollar symbol walks up, the bouncer allows them to go in the club. That's the Unicode filter working. Not every character makes the cut. Wanna geek out more further? You can check descriptions for the sources. So, quick recap. Emojis in object keys totally valid because they are strings. Emojis as variable names, not unless they belong to Unicode categories like LU and LL. Next time someone drops const turtle emoji equal 4, you'll know exactly why it explodes. Send them this video and maybe a Unicode link or two. By the way, if you made it this far, the algorithm already knows you're one of us.